Hey there, I'm reviewing this iPhone 14 Pro Max case, a perfect blend of style and protection. The integrated lens protection keeps the camera safe from scratches, while the foldable stand and ring holder add convenience for hands-free use. It is also compatible with Magsafe, making wireless charging effortless. The glossy shockproof bumper not only enhances durability, but also gives the case a sleek, modern look. If you're looking for a stylish yet protective case for your iPhone 14 Pro Max, this one is a great choice.